Bad news. The next generation Maserati Quattroporte has been delayed and put on hold, and it could be the fault of the next generation Alfa Romeo Giulia, the fully electric version, and also economic problems within the whole industry. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Maserati is in a bit of a pickle. The Quattroporte is currently in a transition phase with important implications for its electric future. Recently, the M9S project, which was supposed to lead to the birth of the 100% electric Maserati Quattroporte Folgore, was put on hold as reported by Corriere Torino. Now, I will link their full article in the description below so you can get all the information from the source. But it was said that this decision would have had a direct impact on Stellantis suppliers who were informed of the suspension and the order to freeze developments relating to the project. One of the key aspects of the situation is the positioning of the brand within the Stellantis range in relation to Alfa Romeo. Now, the current discussions concern how to avoid overlaps between the high-end electric vehicles of the Trident and those of Alfa, and particularly between the electric Quattroporte and the future electric Giulia, which should debut between 2025 and 2026 with an estimated power of 1,000 horses in the Quadrifoglio variant. Now, in addition to these positioning issues, there are also economic concerns. Maserati has reportedly asked its suppliers to reduce parts costs by 6%, a request that follows an early reduction of 5 to 6% last year. Now, these pressures pose a challenge for suppliers and reflect the financial difficulties that the brand is facing. However, despite these challenges, the Modena brand remains committed to the development of electric vehicles, with the promise that the future models will be developed, engineered, and produced 100% in Italy and will adopt electric motors. Now, the commitment to electrification is in line with the global automotive trends and represents an important step for the brand in its evolution towards increasingly sustainable mobility. Now, the future of the Maserati Quattroporte, in particular in its 100% electric Folgore version, remains uncertain. Brand positioning problems and economic challenges have influenced the Modena manufacturer's strategy, but the commitment to electrification remains firm and making a significant step in the direction of a more sustainable and innovative mobility. Now, keeping with this same unfortunate news, the publication also suggests that the redesigned Fiat 500e could be pushed back from 2027 all the way to 2030. While the model just recently celebrated its US debut, the car was introduced in Europe in 2020. So, some economic issues, some sibling rivalry in a sense. What do you guys think about all this electrification when it comes to Stellantis brands like Maserati, Alfa Romeo? Really just the uncertain economical issues when it comes to sustainable mobility. Drop those comments down below how you guys feel about this one. And if you guys want to help further support the channel, make sure you guys like the video, check the links down in the description, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.